Okay, so welcome back. Last video, all the electrics were on the floor right there, and today we moved all the electrics from there over to here by the wheel well. So right now I'm making a top for the wheel well, a little box, hide most of the cables. The fuse panel will be on top. That is secured to the floor, this part right here. The battery may move over slightly, I'm not too sure yet. All the electrics are disconnected right now, so the quicker I can get this done, the better. Okay, this is me making a brand new positive cable to go from the battery to the positive bus bar. Because we moved the electrics around, the old cable was too short. So that black piece in my hand there is actually the crimping tool that you can buy for bigger cables. And you hit it with a hammer, and I've used it multiple times now, and every single time it has worked out perfect. You just got to make sure that your cable is all the way in before you start smacking it, and it works really, really good. Yeah, once you get it in there, just hit it a couple times pretty hard, and it will literally crimp down onto the copper wires and give you a real solid attachment point. Okay, here I was trying to explain that I like to get the heat shrink all the way up close to the hole in the middle right there. That way, as much of the copper is covered. Okay, so this is now where the electrics are living under the van. Basically over in front of the driver's side wheel well, with the blade fuses being on top. Really happy with it turned out. On the right hand side is over the wheel well water tank and where it's going to live. Yeah, it holds 39 gallons. We've lost about 9 gallons of water by switching to this tank, but it's more than enough for us, so it gives us more space. So much happier with this water tank. And this is using a step bit so we can drill out the hole for the water level gauge. This is me pointing out that I had to put 5 bolts into the water gauge at the end of the tank, and when I originally bought this, it said it just screwed in. So I was a little bit disappointed with this kit that you actually had to drill extra holes into the tank to secure it instead of using the threads that came with it. So, oh well, lessons learned. A little more research. And this is getting ready to insulate the tank, and this took way longer than we thought it was going to take. This took about 2 hours to get this completely covered and looking good, the way we want it to look. So it looked good in the end. So by the end of it, every square inch of this tank was covered, and pleased with the outcome, how it looks, and hopefully it will keep it from freezing in the wintertime. So really happy with it. Okay, that's it installed and in place where it's going to be living for the next couple of years. The gray piece at the top there is where the water inlet is going to be, right there where I'm touching. I'm not going to drill another hole in the side of the van. We'll fill it up with the back doors open, just make it a little bit easier. And yeah, should work out fine. Okay, so this is getting the bed platform in place and getting all the sizing correctly. The platform itself is 6 feet by 6 feet, and what I'm pointing here is along the edge there where the trim piece is going to be. Then we're going to router the top of it just to make it round, so we're not going to stabbing ourselves or hurting ourselves while we're laying down. But yeah, also decided to router out this part right here, so you can get access to the door handle. And this is me bumping my gums about how we're gonna router the edge of the wood there and showing how we were gonna do it. I was actually really surprised at how well it came out, with my woodworking skills not being the best in the world. So really happy. And this was it, sped up a little bit just to show you what we were doing here. Really happy with the outcome, and I can hear some of the keyboard warriors going, I should be wearing safety glasses, and I know that, but I don't have safety glasses, so there you go. As good as how the 1x6 came out, I decided that I was going to do the edge of the bed as well. Bed frame here at the back and all the way at the front. That way we wouldn't hurt ourselves getting in and out the bed. And this is me explaining that I was going to drill about 6 holes on the left hand side piece of wood and about 12 on the right hand side piece of wood. That way we can get some airflow. That way the mattress isn't just sitting straight on the wood. Yeah, our mattress already sits on a product that is designed to make airflow under the mattress. So by having the holes in the wood, it just allows more airflow, so there's less chance of moisture being trapped between the wood and the mattress. And there's the holes drilled right there, and it's bolted down. The side pieces are in place, and really happy with how it finally came out. Everything's routed, and should last many years. Really happy with that. So this is what we've done this week. Everything that I recorded so far had 0 audio. So
oops.
Oops, yeah. The sides is being routed. It's nice and round now, so not sharp edges. We put holes, breather holes, so the air can circulate under the mattress.
And we still have our mat that goes underneath our mattress too, for breathable air.
Right, so we just gotta paint it now. Okay, so this week is almost done filming. We got some good news for Hopi.
I got to see the VA, and I'm getting mental health counseling now. I got most of my meds, and the ones I don't have are coming eventually in the mail. And I have an appointment scheduled for the end of March on the 24th to go see an orthopedic doctor. Hopefully he'll be able to take a look at my knee and let me know what they need to do to get me back up and walking again, because I'm not ready to sit in the house 24/7 again. I'm ready to get going and doing stuff and living life again.
So that's the good news. The build is coming along. All the electrics are done. The bed platform is done, and all we gotta do now is the plumbing for the tank and all the pumps.
And I have to get painting.
Yeah, and we gotta paint the kill stuff, so if we get any mold or moisture under the
Mattress.
it won't spread. So that's good.
And what else would I have to paint? Something else besides that.
Well, we got paint.
Oh yeah, the walls.
Yeah, all
That's
the
right.
we got a new color paint that Hope picked. So
Yeah.
we'll see how that turns out. It's
It'll
nice.
be more of a medium. It'll be a medium jade color that'll go on the wall. It's not going to be a deep jade, and it won't be as light as that.
Yeah, I mean, we picked that color originally because it was nice.
Yeah.
It is nice. I like it still.
No.
It's like being inside an Amtrak. Okay. So
I got some new bedding with lots more flowers on it. Not so pink, some more bluey purple, so Kevin can stand it.
so you'll see that in the upcoming weeks when we actually remake the bed and all that good stuff. So
Yeah.
hey, thanks for watching.
Yes, definitely, and thanks for all the prayers and the wishes I could get my stuff handled. I appreciate it,
And for all the new subscribers, thank you.
and thank you very much.
Love
And
you
check
guys.
out your channel too.
Yeah, so we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.
Love ya.